Welcome to the channel Quick Quiz Masters. Be quick to master. Quickly subscribe the channel.
Dash becomes vital process without which species cannot survive for long. Growth, consciousness, reproduction, locomotion. Sexual mode of reproduction enables creation of new variants, A and C, mutants, none. The time period from birth to natural death of an organism represents time period, death, life history, lifespan. A biological process in which organism gives rise to young ones similar to itself is called growth, locomotion, movement, reproduction. When offspring is produced by a single parent with or without involvement of gamete formation, it is called dash reproduction. Sexual, asexual, A and B, none. Planaria possesses high capacity of alternation of generation, bioluminescence, metamorphosis, regeneration. Fusion of dissimilar gametes is allogamy, fertilization, dichogamy, autogamy. Vegetative propagation by leaves is found in Bryophyllum dichrymentinum, Nuria species, Albizia lebec, Solanum tuberosum. Explant is harvested plant, exploited part of plant, plant small part for tissue culture, uprooted part for transplantation. Hydra reproduces by budding. This is an example of sexual reproduction, parthenocarpy, asexual reproduction, regeneration. The concept of cellular totipotency was given by Stewart, Yessil and Hildebrandt, Carlson et al., Barsky et al. Which is not a method of vegetative propagation, micropropagation, budding, sowing, layering. Which is not an example of vegetative propagules in angiosperms, juice pores of Chlamydomonas, eyes of potato, rhizome of ginger, bulbil of agaves. Chrysanthemum multiplies vegetatively by bulbils, rhizomes, suckers, runners. Application of embryo culture is in overcoming hybridization barrier, clonal propagation, formation of somaclonal variations, production of alkaloids. Which of the following plant cells will show totipotency? Sieve tubes, xylem vessels, meristem, cox cells. Somaclonal variations are the ones induced during sexual embryogeny, caused by mutagens, caused by gamma rays, produced during tissue culture. Development of shoot and root in tissue culture is determined by enzymes, plant nutrients, cytokinin and oxygen ratio, temperature. First successful animal clone was Molly sheep, Dolly goat, Dolly sheep, Molly goat. A quicker regeneration of grass leaves shall occur by cutting, grazing, irrigation, clipping. The term parthenogenesis was coined by Bovary, Owen, Grober, Belford. Isogamy is found in Plasmodium, Hydra, Monocystis, Planaria. Transverse binary fission occurs in regeneration, sporulation, fragmentation, budding. First step in protoplasm fusion is hybridization, isolation of protoplast, selection and isolation of somatic cells, collection of somatic cells. External water is not required for fertilization of pteridophytes, bryophytes, thallophytes, spermatophytes. Asexual produced organism inheriting all the characters of the parents is offspring, clone, variety, hybrid. Plant medium used widely in preparation of culture medium is go from Borus flavifer, Pinus roxburghi, Cycas revoluta, Scoccus nucifera, which is connected to asexual reproduction, gamules, gametes, gonads, genitalia. In vegetative propagation by tubers, which of the following remains constant through generations? Morphology, vigor only, morphology, vigor and disease resistance, vigor and morphology only. Clone is a group of individuals gone through self-pollination, cross-pollination, vegetative propagation, hybridization. Binary fission is a type of nuclear fragmentation, vegetative propagation, sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction. Ginger is multiplied vegetatively by rhizomes, tuber, stem, bud. Apomixis is development of new plant without fusion of gametes, from fusion products of gametes, from stem cuttings, from root cuttings. Variations observed during tissue culture of some plants are known as clonal variations, somaclonal variations, somatic variations, tissue culture variations. Mango and guava are propagated through grafting, layering, tissue culture, stem cuttings. Stem cuttings are commonly used in propagation of mango, cotton, rose, banana. Which ones produce androgenic haploids in anther cultures? Anther wall, tapetal layer of anther wall, connective tissue, young pollen grains. Do comment your score, share this video to your class and school fellows, share and subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for next videos. Thanks for watching.